coal, and wood. Two of this month's order deadlines features rolling stock that hauls these products. But what do they have in common? Carbon. First up, Autoflood III coal hoppers. These cars have been ruling the rails for the past 20 years, hauling coal from coast to coast. What more is there to say? One of our most popular freight cars ever, our newest run features the same fine details and smooth rolling capabilities, with some all-new road numbers and paint schemes. If you missed out the last time, here's another chance to beef up your modern coal drag fleet. But Jeremy don't do modern coal drags, so the meat of this video is going to focus on this. Yes, the Trenton Works 6348 cubic foot 60-foot combo door boxcar. I love this boxcar. It's my most favoriteest boxcar ever. Just look at those distinctive low fish belly sills. Kind of gives it that lowrider look. So why do you need this car? I'll tell you why I need this car. Because I destroyed my painstakingly kit-bash version that I built long before I even got this job. Who knew that it would end up becoming a victim of marketing for a ready-to-run version? But you need this car if you model the lumber industry in any meaningful way from the mid-90s till today. They're still out there now, making their way from coast to coast throughout North America, from Canada all the way into Mexico. And they have almost 20 more years of life left in them. Put them together with some center beams and bulkhead flats, and your wood is in good hands. We got stupid underframe detail, separate ladders, etched metal crossover platforms, and the correct number of wheels. In this case, 8. Prototype fidelity is the name of the game here at Rapido. And if CN isn't your jam, but you still need this awesome car on your layout, we got painted and unlettered for your Railroad of Lies, and also Railroad of Lies. So this is last call for these boxcars. The order deadline is technically on the 15th, but we'll probably keep those order books open a little bit longer until we send the final PO to the factory. So you got a little bit of time, but not much. So won't you please give the Trenton Works 6348 cubic foot 60-foot combo door boxcar a loving home? I can't cry on cue. Hold on a second. God. Won't you please give these boxcars a loving home?
Lunatics!